Okay, so in this equation, we want to solve for the capital letter A, this one, right? So we want to remove B and C. We want to isolate that A. But A is inside a parenthesis, right? Okay, so because I think you're thinking, oh, I want to remove C first. We cannot do that because A is with C inside a parenthesis. Okay, now think about this. B and the parenthesis, what's the operation between those two? You see, there's no plus or minus between the B and the open parenthesis, meaning the operation between that is multiplication. So if I will read this, it means B times the sum of A plus C. So it's multiplication. So we want to remove this B. Alright? So how? The inverse operation of multiplication, or the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So I'll divide both sides by B. This cancels out. So now I will have capital letter A plus C equals M over B. So now I need to worry only about C. And if you notice, I just removed the parenthesis now. Okay, you can do that because there's no other thing outside of the sum of A plus C. Okay, so the next move that I'm going to do is I will remove this C here. And how are we going to do that? So I will subtract C on both sides, or plus the inverse of that. Okay, you do that on the left, you also need to do that on the right side. So this will be canceled out. So A equals M over B. Okay, that's a plus negative C. Okay, or it can be M over B minus C. Both are the same. Okay, so I'll just put the word or here.